Hi, I am Ashok Yadav and you are watching our LeetCode DSA in Java series. And in this video, we are solving LeetCode problem number 1137 and the problem is nth Tribonacci number. And this problem is very much similar to Fibonacci number that we had solved earlier. This is an easy level question. So without further ado, we will read the problem statement and try to understand the problem first. The Tribonacci sequence Tn is defined as follows. So first three terms are given: t0 equals to 0, t1 equals to 1 and t2 equals to 1. And then tn plus 3 equals to tn plus 1 plus tn plus 2 for n greater than equals to 0. So first write it down, whatever is given. T0 equals to 0 and t1 equals to 1. T1 is given. Now T2 is given. T2 equals to also 1. Right. And there is a formula which is given: Tn plus 3 equals to Tn plus Tn plus 1 plus Tn plus 2. Basically, the nth term is equals to sum of previous three terms from that nth term. So if T0, T1 and T2 is given, then if we want to try to find T3, then what we will have to do? We will have to find the sum of these three terms, right? So T0 equals to 0 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So T3 equals to 2. So if we take this first three terms that are given here, 0, 1 and 1, and we just write first term, second term and third term in place of them like this. If we write first term here, this is the first term, and if we write second term here, st, and if we write third term here, so this becomes third term, and if we try to find the fourth term, then how we will find the fourth term? Fourth term will be the sum of first term, second term and third term. So 0 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 2. This is the fourth term. Now if we are trying to find this term, the next term, then what we will have to do? We will have to substitute the second term in first term, the third term in second term and the fourth term in third term. Basically we will have to move this first term ahead, second term ahead and third term ahead. How do we do this? Okay, the second term will become the first term, the third term will become the second term and the fourth term will become the third term. And now we will have to find the next fourth term. So basically what we are doing, we are just changing the term and the formula becomes same. We have to find the fourth term. We will find the sum of first, second and third term. So here 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 4. So we have found the this term again, next term again. Now the whatever the second term is, that will become the first term. Now this third term will become the second term and fourth term will become the third term, and so the fourth term will be sum of these three terms. So we have found a way that will help us to solve this problem. So we just have to do it repeatedly n times. Okay, so we will just write this code, and first of all we will have the edge cases. The edge cases are t0, t1 and t2. These are already given, so we will just write the edge cases. If n equals to 0, in this case what is the term? The 0 term is 0, so t0 is 0, so we will return 0. We have to return the value of tn, right? So if n equals to 0, we will return 0. Else if in both the cases t1 equals to 1 and t2 equals to 1. So if n equals to 1 or n equals to 2, in both the cases the value is tn is 1. So we will return 1. And apart from these cases, we will have to write the code. So first of all, the three terms are given t0, t1 and t2. So we will first declare them in terms of integer, and we will assign the values as well. So int first term will be t0, which is 0. Int second term equals to 1, which is already given, t1. And int third term equals to 1. So the first three terms are given. So I have just declared and put the value that is already given. Now we have to find the fourth term, and to find the fourth term we will write the loop which will calculate fourth term again and again and again n number of times. So int I equals to 1, from 1 we will start. Int I is less than equals to n, so it will go up to n I plus plus. We will find the fourth term. Fourth term equals to sum of previous three terms, that is sum of first term plus second term plus third term. Alright, so we have found the fourth term, and now what we have to do, what we had done earlier, we are substituting. The second term will become the first term, third term will become the second term, and fourth term will become the third term. And first term, after this operation, after this for loop, the first term will contain the nth term. So what we are doing, we are substituting. Second term will become first term, third term will become the second term, and fourth term will become the third term. Now we have to return the nth term, which is stored in first term. So before submission we will check if this code is working or not, if we are able to solve this problem using this code or not. So yeah, so the result has been accepted. So two cases have been checked, and now we will submit the solution. Yeah, so the solution have been submitted and accepted. Now we have just solved LeetCode problem number 1137, which is nth Tribonacci number. I hope you liked watching this video, and you were able to understand how to find the nth Tribonacci number. And if you liked watching this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any queries, any questions, any doubts, do write it in the comment section below. And if you want to watch more such content, do subscribe to this channel, and have a good day. Thank you.